What's going on YouTube? Joseph Robinson here. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and knock the bell. Y'all know about this stock. I'm pretty sure you can guess it. It's number one for the year. Number one for last year. Number one moving forward. And it's going to be number one in your portfolio, in my opinion, because it's number one in mine. So listen up. If you're not in this one, I think you have some problems with money. I'm not a financial advisor. Check it out. What's going on YouTube? Joseph Robinson here. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, and knock the notification bell. HCMC. Wow, it has been blowing up. It has truly been blowing up. I don't know if you've been looking at it. I don't know if you've been watching it. I don't know if you've been contemplating whether or not if you're going to buy in or not. This thing is relatively cheap. It is under a penny, 0.0038. The high was 0.005. Can it get back to that? Of course. Do you realize the worth that you have in your hands with HCMC? I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just trying to let you know this thing, on average volume in 10 days is 17 billion. Shares outstanding, 85.44 billion. Look at the market cap, 283 million. Wow. You just heard the recent news of the sale of 5 million preferred stock, convertible to common stock, initially at 150% premium. Now, let's dig into that here on StockWits. Boyaka posted, he said, for those seeking clarification on yesterday's 5 million preferred stock sale to equity/institutional investors. One, equity institutional investors do not invest $5 million to have their shares diluted. That means they're sold in. They're planted to this stock. HCMC, they're a planted. Healthier Choices Management Corporation. They're seeded. This investment is likely due to a settlement already achieved by the law firm against Philip Morris. That's speculation. He said likely. You've been seeing the information, so we don't entirely know. But it's in the works. This is the most important bit of yesterday's news for everyone to understand. According to Rule 144, look it up, these equity institutional investors are not allowed to sell their shares for the next 6 months, folks. 6 months. We're going to be sitting on this for the next 6 months. If you want to see those gains now that they're estimating between $1 to $5, we're going to see $1. But $5, people are saying it's a little extreme. So when it comes to create fear, panic, and confusion with the talks of reverse split or dilution, simply show them this. Remember, knowledge is power. When you know what you hold, you can confidently go about your business and ignore the noise. That is true. Some of y'all need to throw away your damn phone. HCMC is a penny exempt stock. Basically, to get this award on the OTC market, the company is generating millions in revenue quarterly, and the stock at minimum is worth $5. Like I said, that's all speculation for now. Here's more information about that holding period. First, the prescribed holding period must be met. For a public company, the holding period is 6 months, and it begins from the date a holder purchased and fully paid for the securities. All right. Here's some comments here. Life Edit says, really? $5? If this turns out to be true, the PT, I'll trust the research. This would be life-changing for my family. Of course it will, but barrel of rum. This security is exempt from the definition of a penny stock under Section SEC under Rule 240.3A51 because it meets one of the following tests. $5? It's not realistic. Stephanonus, it's not realistic at all. Be happy if it hits 50 cents. So you would classify this as a buy still? This is the conversations going on. Does that penny exempt stock include its current share structure, or does it account for possible reverse split? Currently at $5, this company will have over 150 billion. Listen. HCMC. I don't know if you're in on it. I don't know what you're doing with it, but it's growing. It's growing. Here's the chart. Let's take a look at it. Yep. That's the day. That's the 5-day chart. That's the 1 month chart. There's your 3 months. There's your 6 month chart. The trajectory is crazy. Like we're heading to the moon. Elon Musk. Like we're headed to the moon. But that's fine. I'm okay with it. If you're okay with it, I'm not selling. I have about 15 million shares. I'm not selling. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay put for now. That's my mindset for now. Anyway, Joseph Robinson, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and knock that notification bell.